Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix broken chat on Roblox using iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To fix broken chat on Roblox, the first thing to do is to swipe from the bottom of the screen on your main homepage. Soon after you do that, swipe up on the Roblox app preview panel to push it off on the screen and close it. Once you close off your Roblox app running on the background, the next thing to do is to open up settings from the app drawer. From the settings tab, scroll all the way down and tap on general. Tap the iPhone storage button and from the app list, select Roblox and tap on it. Now, tap on offload app. Tap the offload app button one more time in the bottom and tap on the reinstall app button to reinstall the Roblox application on your iPhone. Once the application is reinstalled, tap it open and see if that fixes your broken chat issue. If it still doesn't work, restart your device by pressing and hold the power switch. Now, drag the power icon at the top and slide it towards the right hand corner. Reboot your system, and once you are done, enter your passcode, and once you are done rebooting the system, go and tap open Roblox app and see if that fixes the issue for broken chat. If nothing else works out, simply delete your Roblox application from your device and reinstall it back again and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through broken chat issue on Roblox app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.